Welcome to part 22, creating the dashboard header. Directly below the create navbar function is this create main page function. So this is a large function that creates the rest of the page. So it creates all of the components underneath the navigation bar. So if we flip over to our dashboard, what this function is going to do is create these headers up here. It's then going to create these cards over here on the left. It's going to create these data tables with the tabs above it. It's going to create these graphs with those tabs. And then it's going to create this map down below with those radio buttons. So everything below the navigation bar will be created in this function right here. Now what I want to discuss in this video is the creation of those headers at the right beneath the navigation bar. So if we go back over here, we have sort of this like label for the name of the dashboard over here, and then we have the last updated date over here. So those two are created by HTML headers and are done so at the very beginning of this function, create main page. So if we see here, we've created a div to contain two header elements. One is a little bit larger than the other. And what we'll do here is, we'll take that last date, which is a global variable, and we'll make sure to format it such that it is nice and readable, and then we'll just place that text over here. We will give it this class name so that we can reference it later in the CSS. And that will be important because by default headers appear, they are block level elements, so they appear one on top of the other, but as you can see here clearly, they appear side by side. So we're going to use some CSS to change the arrangement of the change the arrangement of these headers so they appear horizontal and not vertical. Okay, so the upcoming videos will discuss creation of the rest of the components on the page. This video is just focused on those two headers right beneath the navigation bar.